Hey guys, if you're anything like me, right now is the perfect time to be seed shopping and stocking up on all your seeds that you're going to be growing this season. But with that comes a lot of seeds, and I always struggle on where to put them, how to organize them best. So I have the perfect solution that we just did this season. I think it's going to be fantastic, way better than anything we've ever done before. So check this out. This is just a 2-inch binder I picked up from our local store. And then I had my kids make me a label because I'm gonna put all of my cooled, apparently, season crops into here. So they went through and attempted to write some of the cold season ones. I think they did pretty good. And then they drew a bunch of pictures of what was gonna be in here. So in this binder, I have a mixture of a few different things. So I have this right here in the very front of the binder that has all of my seed tapes, or the really large ones like peas. I have peas in here just because they are really big. Those seeds are huge. So I have those in there with the seed tapes. And then all through here, I have 2 different sizes of areas in here. So right here is just a standard trading card. So I have some of the seeds in there. And then I also have one of these for like the bigger ones. This is a 3.5 by 5-inch slots right here, which fits a lot of these seeds absolutely perfect. So I have all of these contained alphabetically, and we have all of our beets here. We have broccoli, more broccoli. You can tell we love broccoli. We just ordered a whole bunch. We're gonna be trying out every single broccoli that Park Seed has, so I'm super excited about that. But I just wanted to share this with you. I thought that this was a great way to go about organizing, and I'm really excited to actually have all of my seeds organized this season. I hope that helps and gives you an idea of how to go about organizing your seeds, and good luck with planting.